Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. L-glucose is the mirror image, enantiomer, of D-glucose. In Fischer projection, D-glucose has the following configuration: from C2 to C5, C2, or on right, C3, or on left, C4, or on right, C5, or on right. The designation L versus D is determined by the configuration at the highest numbered chiral center, C5. For glucose, D-glucose has O on the right at C5, so L-glucose has O on the left at C5. Moving on to the next step. L-glucose is the complete mirror image of D-glucose, so every O that is on the right in D-glucose moves to the left, and every O on the left moves to the right. Thus L-glucose Fischer projection is C2, O on left, OH, C3, O on right, HO, C4, O on left, OH, C5, O on left, OH. Moving on to the next step. Option A shows C2, O on left, or left, H on right, C3, H on left, O on right, C4, O on left, H on right, C5, O on left, H on right. This gives O hat C2, left, C3, right, C4, left, C5, left, which exactly matches the mirror image of D-glucose, D-glucose, C2 right, C3 left, C4 right, C5 right. This is L-glucose. And for the final step, option B has C2 or right, C3 or left, C4 or right, C5 or right. This is D-glucose itself. Option C has C2 or right, C3 or left, C4 or right, C5 or left. This is a different diastereomer, alidose or similar, not L-glucose. Option D is eliminated since option A is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.